Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Grammarly Business for AI writing checks across Gmail. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. Navigate to the Grammarly website. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, locate the business plan option. Click on Get Started to initiate your Grammarly business setup. Choose your team size and enter the necessary details. After this, invite team members by entering their email addresses. Each team member will receive an invitation to join. Once they accept, you'll have a full team ready for Grammarly Business. Now, head to your Gmail account. In Gmail, look for the gear icon and click on it to access settings. Navigate to the Add-ons tab within the Settings menu. Search for the Grammarly add-on in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Click on Install to add Grammarly to your Gmail. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Once installed, return to your Gmail inbox. You should see the Grammarly icon in the Gmail toolbar. If you click on this icon, it will open the Grammarly sidebar. Now, compose a new email to test the integration. As you type, Grammarly will automatically check your writing. Corrections and suggestions will appear in real time on the sidebar. Review the suggestions and apply them as needed. To customize your settings, click on the Grammarly icon in the sidebar. Here, you can adjust your writing goals and preferences. Once you're satisfied with your settings, you're all set. Grammarly Business is now fully integrated with your Gmail. Enjoy seamless writing checks moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.